Okay, good morning, people. I don't know if anyone even still remembers me, but it's been a while since I've picked up my phone to film and take you through my day, but I decided that I want to get back into it, and I decided the best way to start would be a day in my life. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about where I am, what I'm doing, everything later. I just need some coffee first, but appreciate this is my cast member spirit jersey and I put it on just for you. Good morning, people, again. Where am I? I am in Germany, if you guys hadn't noticed, but I'm not at home. I'm not where I come from, which is Wolfsburg, which you might have seen on my name tag if you guys paid attention. I'm actually in Lüneburg, which is another city in the north of Germany. It's really close to Hamburg, so that's where I am right now. I'm studying. Today's gonna be kind of busy. I still have a lecture to watch, so I gotta do that before 10, and it's like 7:30 right now. Anyway, like I said, I'm in Lüneburg. I'm studying. I haven't filmed because I haven't had anything to film. Like after we came home, I was very sad. I didn't really want to film anymore because I felt that it was my Disney journey that I wanted to film, and obviously that's over. So I stopped filming because I didn't have anything to film. I didn't want to film, but my Christmas energy started yesterday. It's the 3rd of November now, which is election day in the US, so that's gonna be fun. And I was looking through my old pictures from last year, and I thought, wow, that was so much fun. Like, obviously Disney was fun, but also taking the videos, editing them, putting them up, re-watching. Sometimes I'm just like going through my YouTube and I'm like, oh, that was so fun, and I'm so glad I filmed all of it, even though like obviously not a lot of people watched it. So today I thought I would take you through a day with me as a student in Germany. We just went into a second lockdown, which means the restaurants are all closed. The shops are still open, like the grocery stores, but also other shops. I used to have 2 seminars that were actually in person, but because of that second lockdown, now they're also online, so everything's online now, and my one professor likes to upload his lectures the evening before we need to have finished watching them. So we watch the lecture and then we go into the online Q&A session. So I need to watch that lecture and then go into the online Q&A section, but I also need to eat. I hope you're gonna stick around today because I think it's gonna be kind of fun. I might take you grocery shopping with me. Maybe take a coffee of yourself or a beverage of your choice and follow along with me. Okay, so do please ignore how messy my workspace is, but this is what I always have going on. So this is gonna be my lecture in a second. This is me trying to be aesthetic but ruining it with me also being messy. My little pumpkins, I think they need to go to the trash soon. They look really bad. This tea is empty, this water is empty, so I'm not being very good about my health. And my furry lights, they're blinding you a bit. That should be better. So I have my number 1 name tag and my number 2 name tag. And my fairy lights, and I'm gonna print some pictures soon, hopefully, and put them on there, and it's gonna be like my Disney wall. Okay, let's get this started. So hungry, so we're gonna make my breakfast and then continue watching that lecture because I am going to die. Okay, let's confuse all the non-Germans. Bread, am I right? So I'm done with that lecture. I gotta say, I have a love-hate relationship with those pre-recorded lectures. Like, on the one hand, it's easy to just stop if you're finding yourself not paying attention. But then on the other hand, you're just sitting here listening to someone talk, and I could just as well watch like a YouTube video about the topic. I'd much rather have a live lecture. I don't know how to say what I'm trying to say. It feels a lot more personal. So those pre-recorded ones, they're like, yeah. I don't think I'm actually allowed to play the music. I always listen to this YouTube channel. It's called Ambient World when I'm doing some readings for school because it's so good. This is the Slytherin Common Room ambient sound. Oh, I love it. And I also have a few Disney ones. This is obviously not sponsored or anything. I'm just putting this out here by myself because I love that music. And if you guys love Disney, you should check it out. There was also one for Haunted Mansion. It was like Halloween themed. It was so good. I listened to it and fell right into the Halloween spirit. Yeah, but right now it's Slytherin Common Room, and let's get this started. I have to read something, but I can't find where it is. So let's go on a hunt for it. I think we're gonna go on a little break now. I need to get ready, and I feel like putting on makeup today. I haven't done that in a while. I don't want to read anymore. We also like to call this procrastinating on doing our homework. I don't know if you guys know, but I love lipstick. I love wearing lipstick. But because we always have to wear masks now, I don't even have lipstick here, which is sad. I was gonna put on some lipstick. I have like 1 more hour before I need to be in my first lecture, so I'm gonna try and finish reading this. I made some tea. Oh, should I put on some ears? I think you guys will love it. Which ones are we gonna choose? To do, but we will see if I want to do that now. It's been fun taking you along so far. I haven't done that in a while, and it's really fun. It holds you a little bit more accountable because like you start the camera and you say, okay, I'm gonna do my homework. You have to do your homework because you just told the camera that you're doing your homework. So that lecture is finally done. I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. I hopefully have time to make some food and then it's on to the next lecture. Okay, so I'm back. Whew. That did not take as long as I expected, but it was still exhausting. And I got some groceries, but I'm not gonna show them because some of them are for a secret project. So I'm gonna make some soup now. And look at this cute mask. Okay, so I'm so full. I just ate so much, but that was delicious. So I found this link, someone actually sent it to me, where you can send letters to people living in senior citizen homes so that they don't feel as lonely, because right now no one can visit them because of the new lockdown. So I thought I'd write a letter. So it's actually kind of hard because I obviously don't know who I'm writing, so I just wrote hello. No, I introduced myself. I just thought that maybe if you guys can find something similar where you're from, that would be a fun thing to do for you guys. My lecture completely crashed earlier. Great, and now apparently he thinks the 10 minutes we lost we need to hang in the end, but I have another lecture in 15 minutes and I'm finally done with all my lectures for today. I think I'm gonna do some homework now and then maybe finish hanging up that light because I only got that far. I did some knitting. I'm knitting some over-knee socks. This is how far I got. Well, I didn't do all of this today obviously, but yeah, this is sock number 2. Sock number 1 is already done. Yay, I'm so proud of them. horrible I look, but I'm just gonna make some dinner now. Normally I don't eat a lot for dinner, but I could like eat another lunch right now. I'm very, very, very hungry. Also, yeah, we haven't decorated this yet. I'm gonna watch some live streams for the election tonight. I opened a beer. Obviously, drink responsibly, guys. I am of legal age here in Germany, so I am allowed to drink. Anyway, this is also beer we sold in the US. This is beer I sold at Disney, so that's kind of fun.
People took to the streets to say their names, chanting Black Lives Matter. This election year coincides with the 150th anniversary of the ratification of the 15th Amendment, which states that the right to vote shall not be denied on account of race. New generations of black voters say those rights have been threatened by efforts to suppress their vote.
Let's dine at Wednesday, 12 Central and Pacific on ABC.
I'm gonna sign off for tonight. I'm exhausted. Thanks so much if you watched till here. It's been really fun taking you along again. Be happy if you subscribed and gave this video a thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment if you want. Maybe tell me about what you've been doing to keep yourself entertained during lockdown. So like I showed you earlier, I've written that letter, I've been knitting a lot, and I have lots of uni work to do. And if you want, go check out my Instagram if you want to stay up to date with everything. I'll also update you on there when I'm uploading or filming a new video. And I also did a poll the other day about what kind of videos you'd like to see. If you want all the information, go follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure, and see you guys soon. Bye bye, stay magical.